What's up, folks, man? This is Monk, and I'm back with another episode of What You Rep, man, where we talk about nothing but reps, UAs, whatever you want to call them, option Bs, man. And today, we got a pair of one of the hottest releases this year, the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement, man. And this pair is controversial, man, because, you know, they had a lot of really bad QC issues, man. But interestingly enough, I don't have any QC issues with my reps, man. But let's get a look at this box, man. It has the aged features, so this box looks pretty much like the box that comes with the retail pair. We got the paper, you know what I'm saying, the elephant print paper. Boom. So wow, this is really nice, man. Really nice, dude. Like, I'm looking at these. We got the Nike Air tag. The feel is good, you know what I'm saying. A little bit of tissue stuffed in here, you know, but I'm really digging this tumbled leather, man. We got this cream color midsole, and on the back tab it's also a cream color with the Nike Air, you know, logo instead of the Jumpman. Inside here we get the Nike Air as well, like inside the heel insert. The bottom of these, you know, some more of that cream color, you know, the red and the gray. Kind of looks like a beat up and aged Nintendo console. You know, elephant print on the mud guard and on the back of the heel, you know, black wrapping around the heel as well. And this pair is really clean, man. It's one of the cleanest pairs I've seen so far this year from Jordan brand. Everything looks pretty good, you know, for the most part, man. They're pretty solid, even. You look at the air on the back, it's even, you know what I'm saying. They're not sitting at crazily opposite angles or whatever. These are nice, man. Really well put together, man. This might be something to look into, man, if you're worried about those inconsistencies that may come, you know, with your retail pair. At least these reps, you know, I feel like their standards are a little different. These things are really solid, bro. I can't flex these soles, bro. Like, I'm squeezing. I'm a pretty strong guy, man. I'm a big dude, and I'm squeezing, and this joint ain't flexing, bro. These are real well put together, man. Check out the seller. I'm gonna flash that on the screen below, man. You can find them on IG, and then just follow their instructions if you want to order. And these are really nice, man. Really nice pair right here, man. I'm gonna give you some 360 shots of these, man. And yeah, that's it, man. We're gonna catch you next time on What You Rep, man. This is Monk, and I'm out, man. Subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be back with more flavors coming your way, man. Peace.